Clear out of here! It's not safe! Shit! Raven's out! Let's get to the crash site!
Hey, what's up guys? This is Brian at Whisper Status 74. Welcome to the community, welcome to the channel. If this is the first time you're seeing me, please consider liking and subscribing. We are real tech for real people. Today's video is the TCL 6 Series R635 Mini LED, and you're looking at Gears of War 5 on the Xbox One X. This is being shot in HDR, it is being shown in HDR, so please tap those three little white dots in the corner on YouTube and you can choose HDR from the settings. That's why there isn't any editing in this video, and these videos tend to be about 11 minutes long. We are in THX game mode. I'll show you here. And we are in variable refresh rate. The TCL is not HDMI 2.1, does have variable refresh rate and auto low latency gaming. I have been very pleased with the TCL Mini LED. A lot of the reviews and comments are either loving it or absolutely hating it. I do like it. I do consider value when testing displays like Vizio, Hisense, and TCL, simply because they are half the price of many of their higher end competitors from the big three. You're going to see a cross hatching through here. I saw that also on the Vizio Quantum XP Series QLED. That is not visible to me here. It is through the camera. HDR performance is very good. I've also used the Roku app expert settings companion where you can change your colors, gamma, noise reduction, but left the colors as is. Did turn the vibrancy of the colors up a bit. It has a pretty decent looking game mode. I'm not seeing the crushed blacks that so many have pointed out in the comments, though I think crushed blacks are something that look more crushed on YouTube as it is compressed than what I see here. The motion is pretty good. Variable refresh rate, as I said, is enabled. It is responsive. Playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare, it has been responsive. It is a good looking game mode. Now the THX game mode, I'll do a separate video on that. How is it? I think it's fine. I think it's more of a novelty than anything. Not that it should scream THX at me, but it's not something I would covet. I wouldn't purchase this display for that alone. You can see how this game performs on the channel with the LG CX and Sony 950H for comparison. You will also see this display versus those. So far I am enjoying it. This is a good looking game. And I'm sure there's a lot more you can do with the colors with the Roku app.
Knock it off!
But I am pleased with the image. Now, is Mini LED going to be the OLED killer? This or the 8 series? I don't think it's going to be that, but considering what they cost in comparison to an OLED of the same size, they're pretty impressive. This is the beginning of the game.
Control, we're going in. Control, really? I have a name.
I will say what I'm not a fan of with the display is transitions and menus or loading screens that I do believe the backlight actually disables, because you'll see 4 hot corners. And being somebody who's a little bit allergic to blooming and flashlighting, it does pull me out a little bit.
Yeah, that's pretty evident.
It was a cool introduction to the game. show you an outside, sunnier, more detailed environment. The leather, the game looks good, the display looks good. The game definitely needs a photo mode. Moving on to Gears 4, which I personally do like better. I do actually like the look of Gears 4 better as well. This is one of my favorite levels. It's a more calm scenery, different specular highlights with the skybox and the warmth of the candles.
Was it always like this?
No, it wasn't.
Definitely like playing better as this character too. Not a huge fan of Gears 5 actually, but I did enjoy this level a lot. It's the moonlight.
So how was he able to get permission to live outside a settlement?
Easy. Who was gonna tell him no?
The motion handling seems to be good. Again, gotten pretty used to playing with OLED, so I'm used to no trailing at all.
We should get inside.
Let's find out.
But you're going to see this display go against both of those displays and the one that's coming in the next week or so. But I like the way it looks. Catch this moonlight over here. I'm also in the process of returning your comments in the last few videos. Thank you in advance for your patience. It does take me a few days to get back to you. If for some reason I do miss your comment, please resubmit it in a new video. I do very much appreciate the comments and am very active in the comments. Again, that cross hatching is not visible here. Gears 4 was definitely one of the first really cool HDR titles. Some specular highlights here. This video ended about 10 or 11 minutes, but you'll see gameplay videos in between our longer videos. I'll give you a thoughts video in the next few videos about what I think of it so far. But again, it's been very good. I've enjoyed it. I have not had the issues that many others have had with the panel. I think it's very good looking. Again, especially for the price.
Got drones! More of them, what the heck?
But I think it's a very nice looking panel. Happy with it. We'll finish with some gameplay during the day, different scene. And again, if there's any games that you'd like to see, I will definitely try to show them to you. I have PC, PS4 Pro, Xbox One X.
What the hell happened to
The
Jen?
whole idea was just to show you the level, actually.
I don't know. We'll sort it out later.
All right, guys. Thank you as always. I will see you in the comments.
You hear that?
Take care.
Yeah, sounds like Jin didn't come along.